guys, in Beyblade number 10, we have Flame X Diomedes, and he's like a check 3, and defense 6.
Look at that. We got the different forge disc this time. And this is the slingshot mode, slingshot mode performance tip. And this is the energy layer. Okay, Marvin is going to unbox for you guys. And good one.
Ooh, where's the X Diomedes?
Okay, let's show everyone how you're going to put them together.
Flame X Diomedes is like impossible. Did you see it?
Energy layer. Hang on, let me focus, Marvin. Hang on, just hold on. That's it. That's it. That's it. This is beautiful color.
The metal.
The metal. That's it. Beautiful. Next one.
The energy layer.
And the performance tip. Okay, we're going to assemble it. And then we're going to
Black crow.
Okay guys, me and Marvin is going to show you the power of the Flame X Diomedes D4.
This is going to be my Flame X Diomedes D4.
And I'm going to use the Fornius to try to defeat him. Let's see who's more powerful.
Oh.
Okay, let's give it a try. 3, 2, 1, let it rip.
Down! Down! Down!
Oh wow! Both of us burst at the same time. How amazing!
Because the older
Battle 2. 3, 2, 1.
I will still crash! Flame X Diomedes power! That's impossible. Attack! Hyper Suit Crash.
Go, let's see what happened now.
That's gonna happen. Flame X
Oh!
Diomedes is impossible.
Fornius is the winner this time. Battle 3. 3, 2, 1.
Flame X Diomedes power!
My god, and again, it's a draw, and two of us burst together at the same time. That's so cool and challenging. Battle 3. 3, 2, 1, rip. Oops. Battle 4. 3, 2, 1, rip.
Flame X Diomedes power!
Go, Fornius! Go!
Attack! Defense!
Ooh.
Oh, his nose.
Oh, it seems like Fornius is more powerful.
I'm gonna time.
Bye! See you guys on our next unboxing episode.